Real estate wholesaling. A complete guide. Real estate wholesaling is a strategy used by investors to buy and sell properties quickly, often without ever taking ownership. It involves identifying a property that is undervalued or in need of repair, negotiating a purchase price with the seller, and then finding a buyer who is willing to pay a higher price for the property. The wholesaler acts as a middleman in the transaction, earning a profit by marking up the price of the property. One of the key differences between real estate wholesaling and other forms of real estate investing is that the wholesaler does not hold on to the property for an extended period of time. Instead, the goal is to quickly buy and sell the property, often within a matter of weeks or even days. This can be a lucrative strategy for investors who are able to find and evaluate potential properties efficiently and effectively. However, there are also risks involved in real estate wholesaling. The biggest risk is the possibility of not being able to find a buyer for the property, which can lead to losses if the wholesaler is unable to sell the property at a profit. It's important for investors to carefully evaluate the market and the potential demand for the property before committing to a purchase. Overall, real estate wholesaling can be a lucrative and flexible way to invest in real estate, but it's important to understand the risks and do thorough research before getting started. How real estate wholesaling works. The process of real estate wholesaling typically starts with the wholesaler identifying a potential property to purchase. This can be done through various methods, such as searching online listings, networking with other real estate professionals, or even driving through neighborhoods and looking for properties that may be in need of repair or have other characteristics that make them a good candidate for wholesaling. Once a potential property has been identified, the wholesaler will typically reach out to the owner and negotiate a purchase price. This may involve making an offer that is lower than the current market value of the property, with the understanding that the wholesaler will be selling the property to another buyer at a higher price. Once the purchase price has been agreed upon, the wholesaler will typically secure a contract to purchase the property. This is often done through a real estate attorney or closing agent, who can help ensure that all necessary legal documents are in place and that the transaction is conducted in compliance with local laws and regulations. The next step is to find a buyer for the property. This can be done through various methods, such as advertising the property online or through local real estate agents, or by networking with other investors who may be interested in purchasing the property. Once a buyer has been found and the sale has been completed, the wholesaler earns a profit by marking up the price of the property. Marketing and networking. As a real estate wholesaler, marketing and networking are essential for success as a real estate wholesaler. In order to find buyers for your properties, you'll need to get the word out about the deals you have available. This can be done through a variety of methods, including advertising online or in local real estate publications, networking with local real estate agents and other professionals, building a website or blog to showcase your properties, utilizing social media to promote your properties and connect with potential buyers. Networking is also important for building relationships with other real estate professionals who can help you find deals and connect with potential buyers. This may include real estate agents, attorneys, closing agents, and other investors. By building a strong network of professionals, you can increase your chances of finding and closing deals on a regular basis. Effective branding is also important for real estate wholesalers. This includes creating a professional image and reputation, as well as developing a clear and consistent message about the types of properties and deals you offer. By presenting yourself as a trusted and reliable source for wholesale properties, you can attract more buyers and build a successful business. Legal considerations for real estate wholesalers. Real estate laws and regulations vary by state, so it's important for real estate wholesalers to familiarize themselves with the specific laws and requirements in their area. This may include obtaining a real estate license, following fair housing laws, and complying with other regulations related to the buying and selling of properties. Working with real estate attorneys and closing agents can also help ensure that all necessary legal documents are in place and that the transaction is conducted smoothly and in compliance with the law. These professionals can help with tasks such as drafting contracts, reviewing title documents, and handling the closing process. Financing and managing your real estate wholesaling business. Financing is an important consideration for real estate wholesalers, as it can help you secure the funds necessary to purchase properties and manage your business. There are several options for financing your wholesale properties, including traditional bank loans, private money loans from individual investors, hard money loans from specialized lenders. It's important to carefully evaluate the terms and conditions of any financing you secure, as well as the associated fees and interest rates. You'll also want to be mindful of your budget and financial management as you grow your business. This may involve setting financial goals, tracking your expenses, and developing a budget to help you stay on track. Scaling and growing your real estate wholesaling business will likely involve building and expanding your network of professionals, as well as finding and closing more deals on a regular basis. This may involve investing in marketing and advertising efforts, as well as continually learning and improving your skills as a real estate investor. Conclusion and final thoughts on real estate wholesaling. Real estate wholesaling can be a lucrative and flexible way to invest in real estate, but it's important to understand the risks and do thorough research before getting started. Successful real estate wholesalers are typically skilled at identifying and evaluating potential properties, negotiating deals, and finding buyers. They also typically have strong marketing and networking skills, and are familiar with the legal requirements and regulations related to buying and selling properties. By following these principles and continually learning and improving your skills, you can build a successful real estate wholesaling business. As with any investment, it's important to be aware of the potential risks and to do your due diligence before committing to any deals. With careful planning and a focus on building long-term relationships, you can create a successful and rewarding career in real estate wholesaling.